How to sign up for Daraz Nepal affiliate program. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to sign up for Daraz Nepal affiliate program. If you're looking to earn extra income by promoting products online, you are in the right place. But let's first understand what the Daraz Nepal affiliate program is all about. It's an excellent opportunity for you to earn commission by referring customers to Daraz, one of the Nepal's leading online marketplace. When someone you refer a market purchase on Daraz, you will earn a commission. It's a win-win for both of you and your audience. Open your web and go to the Daraz Nepal website. Scroll down to the footer section and look for affiliate program and click on it. So here is the option of the Daraz affiliate program. I'll click on it. On the affiliate program page, you'll typically find an option of sign up button. Click on it to begin your application. I'll click on it. You will be directed to the Daraz Nepal affiliate application form. Provide your personal detail, include your name, email address, website URL and payment information. Double check all the information you have entered to ensure accuracy. Then click on submit. After submitting, the Daraz Nepal will review your application. Approval usually takes a few business days. Keep an eye on your email for updates. Once your application is approved, you'll receive an email notification with access to your Daraz Nepal affiliate dashboard. Inside your dashboard, you will find your unique affiliate tracking links, promotional materials, and detailed reports on your referral and earnings. Congratulations! Now officially you are part of the Daraz Nepal affiliate program. You're ready to start promoting products and earning commissions. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.